So just a quick video today. My old wheelbarrow here, the back brace was all bent up and it was pretty wobbly every time, especially like trying to pour concrete or something. It almost want to tip over. These legs are loose. So I'm just going to show you how I'm going to fix this. Instead of using this thing, I have a couple pieces of like 3/4 inch wide, 1/8 inch thick steel. You can just get this stuff at the home store. So what I'm going to do, what you don't want to do really, is put one like this, because it's still going to be wobbly. So you want to put like an X brace. So I'm going to use 2 pieces and create an X here and reattach these and then tighten all these back up. So a couple days ago I sprayed a little bit of PB Blaster on these bolts so I could hopefully tighten them up. So I'm just going to spray a little bit more right now while I'm getting this brace attached. So for this I'm just going to drill some new 1/4 inch holes and use some 1/4 inch nuts and bolts. And these nuts have the little lock ridges that can help keep them from loosening up. I'm going to snug that up, and what I want to do is get these spread apart pretty far to make it more stable. So that's going to be much better. Now from the socket. So I actually use carriage bolts on these, and it's nice because they'll bite right into the metal and then they won't spin. So a lot of times on wheelbarrows, that bolt that holds the barrel to the handles is a carriage bolt, but here these have a straight head slot in them. So I'm going to try and hold it. I don't know, it might work, but that bolt's awfully rusty. If not, I might have to cut those off and get new bolts, which is what I had to do here. I put a different wheel on it, so a couple of these I had to cut off and put new bolts in there too, but that wheel spins real nice. What happens is those rubber wheels just seem to rot so dang fast. I don't know what the deal is. I mean, I guess this wheelbarrow's probably 15 years old, but I replaced this wheel once. I also had the same problem with my utility cart, so this wheel is all rotted. So I ended up buying 2 new wheels for the utility cart that are the no flat wheels, and the one good wheel I had left I used here in the wheelbarrow. Let's see if we can tighten these up. The problem is that slot is full of concrete. No, I don't think it's going to tighten. Well, I couldn't get these bolts any tighter, but it's already nice and stiff, so. So there you can see the new bracing. Much better. That'll hold up a lot better when I'm pouring concrete.